Yes, my people, welcome back to DMAC 4K World Tour. Yeah, giving you a country drive tour in St. James.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
In St. James.
And we're starting this one at Roehampton.
Yes, Roehampton.
Yes, and we're going on to Mafuta and end this one in Mount Horge.
Yes. Mafuta and Mount Horge.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy this tour, country tour.
That's right.
Yep. It's not Mount Horge, it's Mount Horeb.
Okay, Mount Horge.
Yeah. So these communities are very peaceful, you know? Yeah, very peaceful. Yeah.
That's very good to hear. That's peaceful.
Yeah.
That's really good. Yes, guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying this driving tour. You know, so just relax back and keep enjoying this video, guys.
Yeah, man. It's so cool in the hills here, eh?
Yes, very nice and cool.
Yeah. Wow.
And look at them nice houses.
Yes.
Very, very nice houses around here, you know?
Mm-hmm. Oh, so nice there.
Yes, nice place, huh? We got the missionary here coming from our Sabbath church.
Nice house in the country here.
Yes, we got very, very nice houses, you know?
Yeah. think some part of the road are,
Yeah, very good. They got very nice roads on here.
yes.
Yes. I like the way they fix the roads and it looks so gorgeous, they would say,
With some big potholes.
Yes, with some nice potholes in it,
Okay, so this coming up to this church here. This is Retirement New Testament Church of God right there.
Yes, that's Roundton Church.
Oh, Rompton, yes.
Yes, it's a Roundton Church over there.
Rompton Church of God.
Yes.
Look at that house up there.
Wow, that was just so nice up the hill. Look at that guy. What a weird place to drive a car up.
Yeah.
Up on the hill.
Yeah.
Have your car turned upside down. There's a man there working in the road there, guys. Yes. Oh, there's a goat in the road there. Just enjoying the moments.
Yeah. Some real nice road here.
Yes, man. Very, very nice road. Very nice and posh.
Mm-hmm.
Can't even feel it when I'm driving. So smooth.
Mm-hmm.
This is a nice simple house over here, guys. You see?
Mm.
Boat house. Let the
Yeah.
girl just come out her house. They're looking around, wondering what's going on.
I think we are in Mafuta now, you know.
Okay.
I'm not 200% sure, but I think we are in that area now. Oh, you remember this plum tree here? This plum kind of plum here? Look at that. When you used to go to school, we used to pick these plum. You see them?
Yes.
Alright, you can come over, see them here, right there. Oh, and okay. Yeah. What a nice bar and restaurant over there.
Yes. I was going to check it out one day.
Mm-hmm. Hi.
So sweet.
Yeah, a lot of those plums. See one plum.
Oh, another plum tree.
Yeah, man, a lot of them on the street side here.
Yeah.
So we are in Mafuta now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are in Mafuta, guys. Welcome to Mafuta.
In St. James.
Yeah. Yes, in St. James, guys.
Yep.
Yes, welcome to St. James.
Where you say, man? You alright? Oh, me no small change now. Oh, yeah, do you sell planting? How much you sell it for? Eh? Grand? 500 me have. Eh?
Let me give you a couple fingers.
You give me a couple finger for what? 500? No man, then yeah, no, that you fi do, man. Just give me the thing, man, and put in a car, man. All right, my brother. Bless up here. Yeah, that was a bargain.
More than a bargain. You sell it back and you make more money.
Yeah, a bunch of planting for $500. That is good.
That is very, very good bargain.
Yeah.
A big bargain.
Yes, I'm using the pan. You want to come? Come, me tell you.
Frank now. You know, when we come back, we can't. That's how I do it.
Well, you see how free Wi-Fi in Mafuta here? Look at that.
I would love to try that. I think we should stop and try it. Because
Universal.
I don't believe this until I try it.
Huh? Wow, look at that. Free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi, what is it?
Mm-hmm.
You know the Wi-Fi really work for you?
I don't know.
They put a sign there, but you don't know if it worked.
I don't know.
Oh.
What's up, man? This Wi-Fi work around here?
No.
It don't work?
No. Oh.
Wow. From the put up, it don't work? Oh, the hurricane. Oh. It's slow. Oh.
The boys enjoy, man. They love it.
Yeah. So this is all right.
Yeah, but
All right. Whoa. What's this man coming bird speed?
yes, kick, my brother. Yes, big kick.
Okay, so see, they have the signboard right up here. So this is the center of Mafuta.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we got the school right over there. Yes, that blue building.
No, Mafuta Community Center.
Oh, okay, center.
Not school.
Okay. That is the center.
What?
No, stay on the road. Eh? TV. What that for?
That is how country people always act.
That's right.
Yeah.
I don't know that music YouTube.
district of Mafuta. Yeah.
We're district, yeah? Yes. So we are district of Mafuta, guys. Well, that me mean.
Yeah.
That's what I said. Got some cows over there, guys. Look at them. One of them just giving birth to a little kid. And a bird over there, a white bird called Galling. Galling is the name of that bird, guys.
Wow, look at those mountains up there. Look at that.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Beautiful mountain, man. I love the weight of the pointed bit as well.
Yeah.
It's very, very nice. It's like a twin mountain as well.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we're going through the mountain now. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we are in Mount Urban.
Okay, Mount Urban, yes, over there. Yeah.
This is Mount Urban United Church, I think. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is the square. This is the square of Mount Urban.
Yeah. Very, it's very nice.
Yeah.
It's a nice place to buy abundant cheese.
You can want to check if they have one of it.
Yeah, man, they must have it in there, man. Let me get this side video of this.
Alright, Papa, we see you. Go and go check, go and see. Alright, guys, so this is where I end this video.
In Mount Horeb.
Alright, so thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Alright, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright.